Hello everyone, this is Bridget of Bridging Healthcare. How you doing? I think healthcare professionals' work is the most interesting kind of work in the world because it comes with daily challenges. Like you can wake up today and everything is looking okay, and then you have something really interesting or something really sad, and nothing prepares you for the day except just for prayers, your determination, and your willingness to attack every situation with a positive attitude. And that is what I want to tell you today. It's like I'm dressed now, ready to go out today. I don't know what the day will bring, but I'm only very positive and hopeful and optimistic that they will bring positivity. I think how you get ready for your day and how you prepare for your day and what you expect will go a long way to determine how your day is going to go, how you're going to manage it. So I just want to tell you, healthcare professionals, every day when you go out, be positive, think the best, assume the best, and you will have the best. See you in the next one. Bye.